Honor has confirmed that the Wind series will be unveiled on December 26 in China, reported that the Wind series will replace the GT2. And this is the first look. The Honor Wind series come in black, white, and blue, and features a large camera island housing 3 sensors and what appears to be an active cooling fan. We can also spot the Wind series branding on the side of the camera island. Recent reports have suggested that the base model will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, whereas the higher version will pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Honor Wind will have a large flat display with a resolution of 1.5K, with a high refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, a durable metal body, and advanced water resistance. The main camera has a 50MP sensor. One of the two devices is also rumored to bring a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging support. It is still unknown whether the Honor Wind smartphones will be released outside the Chinese market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.